Khel Champs Prime Fantasy Skill Game. Now you can easily access it on your phone. I will show you how to use it. Khel Champs Prime Mobile Application Guide. Participant Assistant Point PAP. How to use link and add to home screen. Use this link for Khel Champs mobile application. This link is available on description box. Just copy and paste the link in your mobile browser. Login page will appear. To go to the top right of login screen and click on the three dots, menu list will open. Select fourth last option from bottom, add to home screen. Now you will see Khel Champs Prime icon will be seen on mobile screen along with other icon. Now how to use the app? First select PAP Participant Assistant Point. Now enter PAP mobile number or login starting with SG. Now enter password and click on login. On the top, available balance is shown. List of fantasy sports are shown. Previous games results with fantasy points are shown. Upcoming matches details are shown. Option to select different type of contest and contest fees are available. PAP can select single or multiple teams with multiple quantity also. Now enter participant mobile number, enter participant name, click on save and send ticket. Transaction successfully generated. Immediately SMS with ticket link will be received on participant mobile. And now how to check previous game results. In the home screen, latest winner, select the game whose all team wise points you want to check. Here all 10 teams fantasy point will be shown. For player wise points, please click on team number. Here selected team, all players fantasy points will be shown. Now app menu option. In the top, it shows PAP login details. Home. When you select this option, it will take you to app main screen. Change password. This option will allow to change your old password anytime. We recommended to change password every 30 days. Resend. This option will allow you to resend the previous booked ticket to player's mobile. Ticket cancel. This option allow you to cancel last transaction done by you. Result. This option will allow you to see all previous results. Point system. This option allow to check all game-wise fantasy point system. Participant service. This option allows you to create and manage players' accounts. This option allows you to see all transaction status, accounting reports, etc. Claim by barcode. This option allows you to claim winning ticket by using barcode. Promotions and offers. In this option, from time to time you will able to see the attractive schemes and offers. Contact us. Here you will be able to see company office, addresses and other details. Terms and conditions. Here all terms and conditions related to gameplay and fantasy skill gaming are mentioned. FAQs. Here all details information about fantasy gaming is being provided. Legal. Here you will be find fantasy skill gaming, legal documents and all court's judgment paper. Logout. By clicking on this option, you will be redirected to login screen again. Accounts menu. Accounts. This option allows you see all transaction status, accounting reports, etc. Today ticket status. This option will allow you to check current day sold ticket status. Ticket query. This option will allow you to check status of any sold ticket. Ticket details. This option will show each and every transaction all details. Summarized ledger. This option will show date-wise total business and winning summary. Cash summary. This option will show current and date-wise total business details, means total commission, GST and TDS details. Add balance. Using this option, 24/7 you can load balance for doing business. Thank you. For more information, visit our website www.khelchampsprime.com or write to us care@khelchampsprime.com. For daily update, join us at our Telegram channel @KC Prime.